This is Xiaomi 13, and today I would like to share the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. So to begin with, I would like to demonstrate how you can set up the fingerprint recognition method. So launch the settings, then go into passwords and security, tap at the fingerprint unlock, then choose the backup screen lock method that you would like to go alongside the biometrical one. So I'll go with pattern. Then set the backup password, and in here we can start enrolling or adding our fingerprint. As you can see, the sensor is located underneath the display, so all that you need to do in order to scan your fingerprint is to lay and lift it onto said sensor. And as you can see, everything is done now. I can just go ahead and start using it to unlock my screen. Let's quickly test this feature out and see how well it performs. So it's very swift, it's very precise, and obviously does not recognize any other fingerprints, so secure as well. The next option I wanted to highlight today, you can find at the display category. It is called the refresh rate. Basically, two values you can manually set, either 60 or 120 Hz. As you can see from this little preview animation over here, the higher value will get you smoother visuals and smoother animations, but at the same time it will also drain significantly more power. So if you would like to conserve power or battery you have left, just decrease this value. You can set it to be default, and the system will automatically change the refresh rate, depending on the situation that you are currently in, basically. So you will not have to manually switch this value. You know what? I will just go ahead and set it to be 120 Hz manually, so it will not be automatically reduced once my power runs out. Okay, so the next option you can find at the Always On Display and Lock Screen category of settings. It is the Always On Display itself, a very cool feature that allows you to display some crucial information such as time, date, the most recent notifications, even when your screen is completely shut down. So once enabled, you can change the display rules for it. I'll make it so that the AOD will be always displayed, but you can also set it to be shown only for 10 seconds after you tap the screen, or set some custom schedule for it to be shown at certain time frames. So at a certain time frame. So as I already mentioned, I will make my AOD permanent. In here, there are quite a few themes you can go for and choose from. And you can also set your custom one. So upload, let's say some custom picture, change the text color, modify the clock position, and see what items will be displayed and what items will not. Now do not forget to apply your changes. And that's how the AOD that I've set up looks like. Well, the next very useful option is basically the pulse measurement or the heart rate measure. In order to access it, you gotta launch settings. Once again, go into additional settings category. In here, choose the heart rate, start, grant all the necessary permissions, and just lay your finger on the fingerprint sensor or scanner. Let the software do its magic and measure your heart rate. Obviously, you do not have to let your finger go until the full scan will be performed. And here is my result. Alrighty, the fifth and final tip or option I wanted to show you today, it is related to the improvement of overall system and device performance. Basically, the system on this phone allows you to increase the random access memory amount by virtually creating additional RAM through occupying the internal storage. In order to enable this feature, you gotta once again enter additional settings and go for the memory extension over here. Then choose the value that you would like to expand your RAM for. So you can either go with 2, 3, or 5 gigabytes, and then reboot the device in order for those changes to take effect. And after your system gets restarted, the RAM extension feature will be applied, enrolled, and well, that would be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.